Former First Lady Nana Konadu Agyeman Rawlings is calling for a vigorous campaign on the Interstate Succession Law. In Accra on Tuesday, Mrs Rawlings told a gathering organized by the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection that it was time to start another campaign on the law.
The first campaign was spearheaded by Nana Konadu Agyeman Rawlings and her 31st December Women's Movement, of which she was the president. Mrs. Rawlings is hugely credited for spearheading the advancement of women and more especially making women's issue a key cornerstone of the Rawlings' administration.
Enacted 30 years ago, the Interstate Succession Law seeks to remove the anomalies relating to interstate succession and to provide a uniform law that will be applied throughout the country irrespective of inheritance system of the interstate and the type of marriage contracted. However, as society is dynamic, there have been calls for amendments to PNDC Law 112, which aims at giving more protection to women and children. The chairman of the Gender Dialogue, Nana Professor K.B. Asante, underscored the need to take a second look at some of the flaws in the law.
There was no consensus between the urban elite and the vast majority of the rural people. Now, the tendency of the governing elite to impose their own personal value judgments on the nation without any serious efforts to educate wider public and secure the consent and understanding before radical social changes is counterproductive.
As the leader of the 31st December Women's Movement and a frontline campaigner of the law, former First Lady Nana Konadu Agyeman Rawlings expressed regret that some Ghanaians are still ignorant about the contents of the law and what it seeks to achieve.
Some felt that the sole aim was to protect marriage under the ordinance, which was not the case. With PNDC Law 112, traditional and polygamous marriages were also registered and recognized accordingly, so as to benefit from Law 111. This was a very important hurdle because it became necessary to wage a major educational campaign to explain and educate the population on the PNDC Law 111 and Law 112, and how families can benefit from the application of these laws.
Nana Konadu Agyeman Rawlings was honored for her efforts at transforming women and the adoption of several laws protecting the rights of women and children in Ghana. As the world marks International Women's Day, the need to empower more women and encourage their participation, especially at the highest level of society, were some of the issues that took center stage at the Gender Dialogue. For GBC 24, Shelley Bewa reporting.